it's me Giselle, and today I get a very fun video for you guys. I have got this enormous package, oh my words today, here, and I'm really excited to open it up. And if you see any address, it's all like blurred out, so that's good to know, so the internet doesn't know my whole address. But yeah, let's just get on to the video. Let's like open this up. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, I'm breathing toxic. Oh my gosh. So the first squishy I have here is like this mini donut, and these are all made in China, it says. And I'm not, I will take it out of the packaging for you guys. So there's that one. Then the next squishy I have here, these are actually mochi squishies, and they're really cute. And I'm not going to open this one, but it's really cute. Then I have got these like pieces, like 10 pieces of squishies. So I'll do that at the and in another video. Oh my god, what was that? Next, I have this apple squishy, and it looks pretty much like an apple, and it's quite squishy, and I really like it. Next, oh my gosh, I really like this. I want to keep it, but I don't think I can. It's in packaging and everything. It says, "I love squishy." It looks like under the sea. And it's like this orange one. Oh my god, it's really nice. And I think this was like $2.99, so it's really cheap. But I don't. Oh yep, it is resealable, so I can take it out of the packaging. Okay. Right off the bat, so squishy. I thought it was like half an orange, but it's actually a full orange, which is really cool. And it's got like this blue bow and stuff. Whoa, that is really nice. So there is that squishy. Just put it back in the package so I don't lose it. Next is this. It's actually a decent apple. This is actually a decent size squishy, and I really like it. And it also does have the keychain. And I will be not opening up this one because I don't think it's resealable. So, and I don't want to like ruin the people's like squishies if they get it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a little milk squishy, but it's not like the regular ones. Like this has big eyes, but I think it's still really cute. And I'll just open it up. So here it is. And it's got two faces, which is kind of creepy, but there's that one. Next, oh my gosh, guys, I got the unicorn cake, I'm pretty sure, scented. It is scented, that's for sure. If you don't like really scented squishies, then this is probably not for you, but like it's not a chemical smell, but it's a little bit like different than the others that I've gotten today. Next is this pink donut with like a really cute face and some sprinkles. Like that. And then lastly, well, I think, yep. We have this really cute mochi squishy. It's like really cute. So if you guys enjoyed this banggood unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like it, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can see whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, bye!